Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your YouTube handle. So without further ado, let's start! To begin, open your favorite web browser and then search for youtube.com.handle. Now just tap on that. And then right here you can see YouTube handle. Just tap on that. It will then direct you to this page. Now to claim your handle, what you're going to do is to tap on Open App. You can now change your handle. So my current handle is at crochets underscore Ange 2320. And now just tap on Change Handle. Just enter any handle that you want. And you want to make sure that your handle is very unique. After that, just tap on Confirm Selection. Next, what you're going to do is to refresh the page so that you can see your new handle. And that's it! It's just simple and easy. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.